Hello traders, this is Trading Gate, and in this video we're going to introduce another strategy for swing trading and scalping. In this channel I'm going to post every week different videos about like trading, swing trading, long-term investment, and scalping as well. And make sure you subscribe to channel and make sure you're not going to lose the videos I'm going to post in the future. And please support us by like and commenting below the videos, and and look for the other videos I already posted. Lots of good information available in the channel. But before going to strategy, this is just educational purposes video and it's not like investment wise. And please practice all type of strategy you see on the internet before utilizing them on different time frames and different assets. For this strategy, I'm going to use Ichimoku indicator. For Ichimoku indicator, I just need the cloud, nothing else. And so I'm going to put OK. In this strategy, I just need the switch point of cloud when the cloud turns the color from the red to green or green to the red. And I'm going to count the candles, and then I'm going to predict the future using those, and to see after how many candles I'm gonna have a reversal. So this strategy basically is just for reversal prediction. So let's jump to the example before speaking too much. And I'm gonna just draw a rectangular between two different switch here. This is the first switch and this is the second switch. Then I'm going to drag it to the end of that cloud, this cloud, and then it's going to give us a reversal zone, as you can see here. Let's have another example here, for example. So you have a switch of the cloud. If I just drag it a little bit more, okay. And then I'm gonna just move it to the end of the cloud. And then you can see after one candle delay, it gave us a reversal for a price. Another one here. This is the switch point. This is the end of the cloud, the green one. And then easily I'm just drag it. It gave us like another reversal zone, as you can see here. Another one here. So I'm just gonna move it. Give us like that. You see the price drops after that reversal point. Another example here. So let's so I'm gonna just move it forward, and as you can see, this is another reversal for the price. Another one here, and I'm gonna move it forward, and you can see I have a reversal in the price. So basically this strategy gives you the reversal potential point for the reversal, and then you can use the take profit levels and different methods you're using, and then the stop loss levels that using other indicators that I already I just put it in the channel. For the stop loss limit and then the take profit levels, you can use different indicators like Bollinger Band, the SS channel, or other method that I already mentioned, especially in the last 4 or 5 videos of my channel. Please make sure you watch most of my videos. You can find useful information for your trading career. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to channel if you like the video, and make sure you're not gonna lose other useful information I'm gonna post in the future. I'm trying to post unique information and unique videos, and then please like and subscribe and comment below the video and support us. Thank you for watching video, and wait for the other videos in the coming days.